What's all that noise, Jackson?
Got more? Good boy.
Why don't you feed him with your left hand?
Oh. Oh my God, he only has a couple more bites. Get your hand out of your mouth if you want to eat. He wants to grab the spoon. Say mama. Mama. Jackson. You're almost done. Come on. Come on, get your fingers out of your mouth. Good job. You're done. Are you done? Hey, Mama, all done? All done? Are you all done? I know you're a mess. Come on, Mommy can't feed you with her. Let me see your mouth. Are you done? Mom, his hand's all dirty now. Let's clean Jackson's hand. Jackson. Did you get him? Jackson? Jackson. Say You want to sit up for Mama? Why don't you sit up?